airboat passengers at Sawgrass Recreation Park seeing more than alligators on their Everglades trip. 2 miles away, a stubborn brush fire is sending thick, dark smoke skyward. Park owner Tim Schwartzman said a lightning strike started this blaze a couple days ago, but winds are in their favor.
So we're watching right now. Obviously, visibility would be a concern out on an airboat driving around without being able to see. Usually not a good idea. And of course, obviously, there's respiratory concerns. So if the smoke were to shift and move over our park directly, making it unhealthy to be here, then we would have to probably just close things down.
The smoke is drifting eastward.
All the ashes there were all over here in front of the car, especially like at my house.
Rosie says it's been covering her car in Pompano Beach.
I've been on my car the last few days.
And what did you think about that?
I didn't know what it was at first, honestly.
The smoke is affecting air quality, especially in East Broward. Broward Health North Emergency Medical Director Dr. Cesar Carolero says people with lung issues need to be careful.
If you're prone to lung disease, it acts as an irritant. It causes the airways to narrow and people have shortness of breath, especially asthmatics or people with COPD. Staying indoors, staying in a well-filtered environment that the air is cleaner than the outdoors if you can.
You can see smoke heading east. That means for people living along the coast, smoky conditions, ash on their cars, and if you have any trouble breathing, it is recommended that you stay indoors. In Western Broward County, Joan Murray, CBS News, Miami.